Phylum Mollusca, soft-bodied animals. Key features. 1. Habitat. Found in freshwater, marine environments, or on land, in moist places. 2. Body. Bilateral symmetry, soft, unsegmented, triploblastic, and coelomate. 3. Parts. Head and foot. Muscular foot for movement. Visceral region. Contains organs. 4. Mantle. Covers the body and secretes a shell. Shell. External, snail. Internal, cuttlefish. Absent, octopus. Functions in gas exchange, excretion, and reproduction. 5. Radula. A tongue-like structure for feeding, e.g., snail, cuttlefish. 6. Coelom. Surrounds heart, excretory organs, and gonads. 7. Reproduction. Sexes separate, unio. Hermaphrodite, helix. Larvae. Trochophore. Examples: snail, slug, oyster, freshwater mussel, octopus. Economic importance. Pearls. Made by pearl oysters. Shells. Used for buttons and ornaments. Food. Clams, oysters, mussels are eaten in many countries. Damage. Slugs harm gardens. Shipworms, turtle, damage wooden ship. Phylum Annelida, segmented worms. 1. Habitat. Found in soil, earthworm, freshwater, marine, nereus, or as parasites, leech. 2. Body. Metamerically segmented. True coelom acts as a hydrostatic skeleton. Circular and longitudinal muscles for movement. 3. Locomotion. Chitinous bristles, setae, or parapodia, nereus. 4. Circulatory system, closed. 5. Nervous system, ventral nerve cord with ganglia. 6. Reproduction. Hermaphrodites, earthworm, leech. Separate sexes in some, nereus. Fertilization, external. Development, direct or through trochophore larvae. 7. Regeneration, common in annelids. Examples: earthworm, Pharotima, leech, hirudo, nereus. Economic importance. Soil. Earthworms improve soil quality. Food chain. Polychaetes are food for fish. Parasitism. Leeches harm humans and cattle.